Who am I? Scott. I developed Agralawn, had a landscape business in Florida, Central Florida. Landscape, tree farm, spray service, fertilization, insecticide, herbicide. We developed Agralawn as a company, used it in our company to the satisfaction of our customers, patented it, created a label and a product, and started selling it. We knew it was an effective product because we were using it to satisfy our customers. There was no other product for them to use to accomplish killing the weed and not killing the southern turf. And so we recognized it as an effective product through our own use, and then wanted to share what we had. The organics people, again, picked up on the aspect that it was a true organic product. Over the years, there's been some changes in the organics world, and one of the things we had to pull the yellow indicator out of the product. Didn't change the product at all, but still it's effective in the way you use it. And so you can find it in numerous retail outlets, especially throughout Texas, Amazon, and so forth.